Welcome to qnawire.
So molarity is basically the number of moles of my solute in 1 liter of my solution or solvent. Meanwhile, molality is the number of my moles of my solute dissolved in 1 kilogram, of course, here of my solvent and here of my solvent. Both could be used as a measure of the concentration of my solution. However, molality sometimes, let's write this, molality is sometimes better to be used in certain cases because let's imagine I have a solution in which after exposing it to higher degrees of temperature, the density or rho of my solvent changes. And given that I'm not adding or taking away any material, the amount or the mass of the solvent is the same, however, the volume of the solvent changes. And hence, this means that the molarity changes because I'm dealing with a fixed amount of solute and fixed number of moles of solute in a changing volume of the solvent, and hence the molarity might change if, let's say, the density changes due to temperature. However, in molality, I'm dealing with masses. I'm dealing with moles of my solute, which is related to the mass of my solute VMR, and I'm dealing with the mass of my solvent, which does not change with temperature. And so it will stay the same regardless whether or not, let's say, the density changes due to temperature.